Use Zepl to tell a story with your data to business users and key decision makers. Create a new Zepl Notebook by clicking the blue button on the left. Then, from the menu on the right, upload a file. Or, use Zepl's data sources to easily connect to any data source. You can reuse these data sources in any notebook with just one click. Once data is loaded, pull it into the code by referencing the file at http://zdata. Easily visualize the data by using the internal zObject show method. Zepl provides a basic tabular view by default with a number of other options such as bar charts, pie charts, radar, and Sankey charts. Zepl provides access to advanced visualization options through the Plotly editor. Click the option at the end of the visualization options bar, then click Plotly Chart Editor to open the interface. This powerful tool allows you to create any number of visualizations from your data, as well as format those visualizations using countless customization options.